Yo, what's up, guys? As always, if you're watching this live later on YouTube, you could probably jump ahead a few minutes. Gonna wait for people to join. All right, welcome in, welcome in. What we got? Where's my case? Too many cases. Just give everybody a minute to get in here. Pull out an inner case. Crap. And good stuff. Right there. The good stuff. Any viewers yet? Anybody in here? Am I early? No, I'm on time. Who do we got in here? Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 10:04 p.m.
10:04. Where's my viewers? Anybody in here? This app acts up sometimes, doesn't tell me if people are actually viewing or not. So I have no clue if anyone is in here right now. Just trying to fix my display up a little bit. And just give it another minute and then I'm going to get started. Oof. Woo. That hand sanitizer ain't no joke. Shit's strong. All right, I am going to start. I have no clue if I have any live viewers right now, but I'm gonna get started anyway. Everybody has an opportunity to watch this later. It is live currently. Anybody in here? Is there anyone in the room yet? Gonna have to split this box in half somehow, so I need somebody in here. I'm gonna have to roll the dice. One of those nights. Thursday night, everybody's watching football. Should have ran this another night. Let me make sure I got my time right. Yep, my time is right. Hey Jeffrey, dude, I don't think anybody else is in. Well, there could be people viewing and not saying anything, but I think you might be the only one in here. It's been 5 minutes. I guess that's enough time. Everybody can watch it later on YouTube or on this Facebook page. That means you'll be the one to decide which half of the box we go with. Let me do the roster real quick, bro. Amy with the 49ers, Raiders, and Saints, and Seahawks. Brian with the Broncos, Browns, and Falcons. Charles with the Cardinals and the Packers. And I do owe you some bonuses, Charles. They'll go out. Jeff, you have the Steelers. Jordan with the Bears and the Chiefs. And the Giants. Keith has the Titans. Marty has the Patriots. Steven has the Colts, Cowboys, Eagles, and Rams. Tyler has the Lions. I have the rest. I made the mistake last week of running this on a game night, and I didn't learn my lesson. What is it, Jeff? Top or bottom? It's top or bottom. Come on, you know. Well, I mean, I could do that. You want right? Top or bottom? I know there's a delay here, but I'm going to assume you want this still. I'm going to go slow in case you change your mind. We're going right? We're going right? Going right? Okay, right and top are the same thing. There we go. Right side, top side. It would have been the top this way. Same difference. All right. Since you're the only one viewing, to my knowledge right now, you have picked everyone's fate. Good luck. Actually, I need this. This is for my no peeking station. I learned that from the magician himself, my boy Shane. No peeking. All right, I'm gonna run it. I'm gonna run it with one viewer. This is just you and me, I think, Jeff. Unless there's somebody else in here not chatting and the app not showing me that they're in here. It's It's all right. They don't have to watch it to get their cards. It's optional. Base cards first, as always. DeAndre Hopkins for the Texans. Whoop. Tony Romo for the Cowboys. Raiders, Latavius Murray. Raiders. Numero to 149. Whoop. 95 of 149. Albert Wilson for the Chiefs. Showstoppers, Darrelle Revis, Jets. Number to 100. The autograph is Trey Madden. Related to John Madden? Doesn't look like it, but you never know. Trey Madden. Trey Madden. Of course he's not showing up. Yeah, Keith, this is it. Sorry, I couldn't tag you. I tried, it wouldn't let me. I made an attempt, but it was, I don't know, apparently there's a Keith Reese that's a celebrity. He kept trying to tag that person. This guy was undrafted and then signed with the Seahawks. Seahawks. Well, I have a checklist that I use for these, Jeff. I run a checklist, and he's not on the checklist because he wasn't drafted. So I do have to Google it. When he's not in the checklist, I got to Google it. So, or not the checklist, but the 2016 draft list. So Seahawks for this guy. First hit. That's the first hit. You sure you're not a celebrity, man? Because I might have should have just tagged you. Apparently there's a Keith Reese. I guess they wasn't that big of a celebrity. I think the guy had like 5,000 followers or something. And I was like, I'm not sure that's the right guy. I don't want to... I guess it wouldn't hurt to tag the wrong person. Maybe we can get some pseudo-celebrity into cards. Alright, well, you didn't miss much. You just saw that for the Seahawks. Alright, base card. Vincent Jackson for the Bucks. Emmitt Smith for the Cowboys. Roethlisberger. That's for you, Jeff. Big Ben. For the Patriots, Julian Edelman, numbered to 149. Jerry Rice for the Niners. On that nice number 29 out of 100 for the Niners. It's pretty. I like that type of refractor. It's pretty cool. And we got Thomas Duarte, UCLA. Receiver, wide receiver, Thomas Duarte. Draft check. Dolphins, for the Dolphins. Keith, what do you got in this? The Titans, right? And Jeff, you got the Steelers. If I had control over it, I'd make sure I pull hits for the guys that are in the room. Base card of Jeremy Hill for the Bengals. I love my viewers, especially when you interact with me and make it entertaining. Curtis Martin for the Jets. Of course, this is my own fault for running a break during an NFL game or multiple games. I'm recording the Eagles game so I can run this. Shane Vereen for the G-Men. Jeff, you missed out on this. This is your team, dude. You usually get the Giants. What's up with that? For the Saints, Brandon Cooks, number to 149. Charles Woodson for the Raiders. No number on that. Showstoppers. That's for Amy. And then we got back here. Man, this is like a UCLA night. I think all three of these were UCLA. We got Miles Jack, linebacker. Number to 199. UCLA. Linebacker. Jags, Jacksonville Jaguars. Miles Jack for the Jags. Bunch of small names coming out of this break tonight. I blame Jeff. Jeff's the one that picked the right half of the case. 3 left. Travis Kelce, right top. You're right. Same thing now. Travis Kelce for the Chiefs. A.A. Rod. Aaron Rodgers for the Packers base card. There's a nice little throwback there for the Broncos. Mr. Elway. Come on there, Refractor. Stay down. Antonio Gates for the Chargers, numbered 122 of 149. And behind that, we've got the Seahawks, Steve Largent and Tyler Lockett, numbered to 100. And then we got, oh, what do we got back here? It's not UCLA. That's a nice one. We got Tyler Irvin. How about that? It's a decent one. I don't know where he is now. Irvin, Mr. Irvin. For the Texans. Who's got the Texans? No name on the Texans. Tyler Irvin. San Jose State for the Texans. It's a pretty good card. Decent hit there. Number to 49. Not bad. Not too shabby. It's not one of the big boys, but it's the best one so far. Alrighty. Let's see what we can pull out of this one. We got a Fitzgerald for the Cards. We got another Roethlisberger for you, Jeff. At least you're getting some base cards out of this. We got another Aaron Rodgers. It's 2 dupes on the base card. And then we've got another Larry Fitzgerald. Was the other one numbered? Let me look over here. No, the other one wasn't numbered, so at least this is a numbered variant. All 3 of these we've already pulled. 55 of 149. Fitzgerald. And we got a foil card back here for the Steelers. Sightlines for you, Jeff. That's Antonio Brown. It's a pretty looking card, actually. I don't think I've seen one like this. That's a neat. I mean, I've seen the Sightlines cards. This one just looks different. Maybe it's because it's gold and silver. It's a cool looking card, though. It's a nice one. Be better with some ink on it, but... What do we got back here? Another linebacker. Got the Gators. Got some Gators going on here. Vernon Hargraves. Vernon Hargraves. 19 of 199. You'd think I'd pulled this guy enough that I'd remember what team he goes to. The Bucks. Tampa Bay Bucks. Rookie signature cuts. That is numbered to 199. That's a thick card, doesn't fit in there. Give me my 180s and 130. Probably fit in this 130 here. Yep, 130. The Bucks. Vernon Hargreaves. 19 of 199. One more pack left. And as always, if you didn't get any hits and you bought in for more than the minimum, I'll try to hook you up with something, especially if you bought in for quite a bit. Cowboys, Eagles, Rams, some of those teams, they go quite costly. And if we don't get a hit in here for one of those teams, I will try to offset that a little bit with some packs or some numbered cards or something like that. Blake Bortles base card for the Jags. Always try to hook people up. They get the shaft from Panini. Eddie Royal for the Bears. The Bears. Final base card. Alex Smith for the Chiefs. Yes, this is the last box. Alex Smith base card. Oh, here's another one for the Steelers here. Numbered card, number to 149. Terry Bradshaw on the throwback. 37 of 149. At least you got well, Jeff's in the chat here, and at least he's got quite a few cards in this, even though he didn't hit, but he's got some of these numbered cards, so that's good. Barry Sanders, Detroit Lions. No number. Going to the Lions. What do we got back here? So behind this, we've got Dear Valued Collector. So we got a redemption here. Hang on a sec. Let me grab. Since it's the last card, let's make this redemption a little suspenseful. Let's see what we got here. It's football. It's a good start. 2016 Panini Prime Signatures. Oh, it's a Prime Signatures duel. I might have to random this. Card number 10. Amir Abdullah and Jeremy Langford. I have to look that up. That could be a good one. I gotta look up both of those guys and make sure I got the teams right for that year. Do it right now since it's the last card. Amir Abdullah. This will go to whatever team he will random to the team he was with in 2016. So he was with the Lions first in 2016. He was traded, but he was with the Lions first that year. So it will be Lions, which is Tyler. Is it the Bears? I'll make sure so I don't get it wrong. Oh yeah, Jeremy Langford. Dolphins? Well, he's with the Dolphins. Let me check 2016. I'm just looking at his wiki page for 2016. 2016, he opened up the season as the Bears starting back. Yeah, so Lions and Bears. Thanks, Keith. Just got to make sure so I don't mess it up. The Lions and the Bears. So it's Jordan and Tyler. It'll go to one of those two guys. The Lions or the Bears. All right, I'll do a quick dice roll. And then I will random this between those dudes. All right, it has to be 5 or higher. It's 4. We'll re-roll. Where is it? There it is. 6 and 6. We got a 12. This is going to be a long one. All right, 6 and 12. Lions and Bears. Not Tigers, but still, oh my. 12 hits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. The Bears. Whoop. Almost dropped my camera. 12 hits to the Bears, according to the dice roll, and the 12 random hits. This will go to the Bears. I'm going to have to... I should be able to package all these up and get them in the mail tonight, along with bonuses for all the bad beats. I got some 2016 packs here. I can throw some of these in. I got some less expensive autographs that I will throw in for some of the big guys that bought into this break. It all depends on entry fees, how much you spent to get in, etc. So this will go to the Bears, which is Jordan. Jordan, this will go out to you. Congrats. Run a quick recap for you guys, especially for those that are not watching live. All right, we got this will be the best hit, I guess. Amir Abdullah and Jeremy Langford. It was random to the Bears. Vernon Hargraves to 199 for the Bucks. Tyler Irvin, numbered to 49 for the Texans. Miles Jack for the Jags, numbered to 199. Thomas Duarte for the Finns. I didn't let the ink dry before I slid it in, but there's nothing on the card. Numbered to 199. And for the Seahawks, Trey Madden, numbered to 49. Those are the hits. Of course, all cards will ship, including all these base cards over here. Not these empty boxes, these numbered cards and these inserts. I'll ship everything out. I should be able to get them together tonight. And like I said, if you took a bad beat, I will hook you up. If you get nothing at all in this break, I will definitely hook you up with something. No one will go empty-handed. You will get something in the mail from me. I don't leave anybody empty-handed. All right, thanks for joining, guys. I appreciate it. Look for your notifications to come from eBay shortly, and I'm going to go get this started uploading to YouTube. Thanks for joining. This was a bit of a light break, but it happens. Breaking is like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're going to get. Have a wonderful night. I will see you guys on the flip side. Peace.